Okay, so 3 things to check on float needle. First, you need to have this spring action here. So when you press, you need to have that spring action. When you don't have that, ultrasonic cleaner or cleaning of this, you can save it. Other thing is the tip. So you need to check, do you have a nasty groove here somewhere? So right under the top. If you have it, you need to change your float needle. Third thing, you need to see these 4 guides. You need to check them. Is there any wearing here? If there is, you need to change, because then needle shouldn't be able to go in needle seat like this. It should be straight action. If you have wearing there, you need to change the needle. Hope this helped someone.